All right, so I just want to do a quick unboxing of this dive case. Let's just get to it. Shipped in from Insta360, bought it on the store. Probably came in about a week. Paid for the extra shipping as well. Ooh, not bad. Let's see what we got. Okay, nice box. Very nice. All right, Insta360 dive case. Cool instructions, we'll never read that. Foam. Okay, here we go. Oh, nice. Okay, at least comes with this mount. I was worried it didn't. Oh, here is the 360 itself. Oh, okay, nice. I was wondering what this black ring looked like because you couldn't see it that well in the website. But here it is. Cool. Let's just set that here. Anything else left in here? We have anti-fog inserts. What is this? Huh, interesting. Anything else left in here? These rubber grommets, or not rubber grommets, but friction pads. Bit here is this piece. I think that's it for the 360 here. Okay, nothing else left there. All right, and then let's see. I'll just open this up. And another pouch. Cool. This is the same pouch that, or pretty much the same pouch that the Venture case came in for the original One X. So we have these components here. Nice. All right, let's see what this looks like. Let's open this on up. Let's see what it looks like all the way around. So pop the latch. Pop the latch. Oh, nice. That was easy. Okay, we can read this. Here we go. The One X2. All right, so I guess can we just pop it in just like that? Okay. Then the button here to match with this one. Slide this on through. Nice. And yeah, there's a nice O-ring right there. Don't know what that is, but yeah, looks good. And just a quick button press, check. Press the button. And there it is. It has begun recording. Very nice. Let's see, stop. Can't really see the camera that well, but the LED flashes really bright through that. And then if we turn it on, not bad. Cool. There you go. The Insta360 One X2 dive case.